Let us try to understand how to write equation of a transformed function if we are given the transformation, right? Here the question is, given the function f of x equals to absolute x, write the equation of g of x after following transformation. And the transformations are horizontal compression by a factor of half, vertical stretch by a factor of 3, reflection on x-axis, and translation of 1 unit right and 4 units up. So in general, a transformed function g of x can be written as equals to a times f of absolute, the function itself, which is k times x minus d plus c, right? As you know, outside values are for vertical. This is vertical stretch compression, even reflection if it is negative, and c is vertical translation. And vertical values you write as such. Inside are horizontal. So this reflects, stretches and compresses horizontally, and d is movement left or right. Now let's see what is given to us and write transformed equation. First thing given to us is the function itself, which is absolute. So we'll write this function as absolute. So that is the notation for absolute function, correct? Then the transformation. So g of x for us is actually equals to horizontally compressed by a factor of half. So when we say horizontally compressed by a factor of half, then we have to reverse and write k as 2. So the k value is 2 in this case. Vertically stretched by a factor of 3, which is a. It comes outside 3 as such. Reflection on x-axis. Mind it, x-axis means a vertical reflection. So this becomes minus 3. Translation 1 unit right. 1 unit right will reverse this sign. So we get x plus, 1 unit right. Right means we'll keep it as such, x minus 1. Now, and 4 units up, that means plus 4. So that is how this equation is going to be, right? So when we say 1 unit right, then if I write plus 1 for x, it becomes 1 minus 1 as 0, right? So that is how you can check how it matters. 1 unit right means moving right. So if I put x as plus 1, this becomes 0. That is what it is. So that is the transformed function. As you can now note from here that, let's go back and read this. So transform, if you have to write transformation from here, this reflects on x-axis, that is correct. 3 is vertical stretched by a factor of 3, that is correct. Horizontally compressed by a factor of half, that's correct. 1 unit right and 4 units up, perfect. So this equation confirms that it is just the right equation for converting f of x as g of x transformed function. Now as an added exercise, what you should do here is, you should sketch the function, right? So first sketch the function. To sketch the function, you can take critical values, which are, for absolute function, you can take x values as minus 2, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 0. And then on the positive side, you should take 1, 1, 2, 2. These are enough. And then this is your f of x. Write down transformed values for this, sketch your function, and then write domain range for your function as an added exercise. I hope that will help you a lot. Thank you and all the best.